Good morning. Good morning. Today I'm filming a very normal day in my life. I'm sitting here in the corner of my room. I just got out the shower, which is why I have a robe on. So I know that I never do like casual vlogs. I only ever vlog when I'm doing like something extremely exciting with my life, like I'm going on vacation or I'm going on a brand trip. And like you guys are always just requesting me to do like normal daily vlogs. Like you guys want to see like my normal life, me being very normal. And I don't know why, that's always like hard for me to do, I guess. Like I never do that. And I said that I wanted to go back to posting 2 videos a week. So I kind of came to like a medium thought. A medium thought where I was like, how about I just do like normal vlogs on Tuesdays? So we're gonna have like chill normal vlogs like this, like either a day in my life or a week in my life, I guess, like whatever I decide to do, of like normal things. And then we'll have fancy Friday videos. It's like laid back Tuesday videos, fancy Friday videos. And I asked if you guys like that idea on my Instagram, and you like everybody said yes. So I think that's what I'm gonna be doing. I do this every single morning. This is it's my She Reads Truth Bible. Highly recommend that one because it has like devotions like in it about what you're reading, which is nice. I do this every single morning. So like my usual morning routine. I already ate breakfast, which was just a bagel. So I drink grapefruit juice every morning. I read about 3 to 5 passages, I guess, depending on like my free time. Put you guys right there. Hi. It is also Friday today, so my screensaver. It's PewDiePie marrying himself, if anybody wanted to know. So yeah, so I'm gonna read this, and then once I'm done I have to upload my YouTube video, which I will do, and then we're probably gonna get ready and like go out. My task for today, let me show you. So I'm going to show you, I won't show you that, but I have 1 package to return. I bought some shoes online, they didn't fit, so I have to return them at the post office. I have 2 PR packages that came in this morning that I'm going to open. We're going to go to the bookstore today because this is like my fireplace and I like filling it up like with books, but I want it to be like a little bit higher because I feel like sometimes like if I'm like filming or taking pictures just like that, it like looks empty. So I want it to come up a little bit higher. So I started stacking these here, and like, yeah, I just want it to be a little bit higher. So I'm going to try to find some more books. I go to like this used bookstore near my house that I really like. So we're going to Ulta. I have to pick up a few like random, just like necessity things that I use all the time that I'm out of. And then like we have to get lunch. I think that's it. Hi, 10-second really crappy voiceover, but here's me drinking my grapefruit juice, and you can see my little ADHD foot while I read my Bible, and me uploading my YouTube video. Bye. So video's uploading. I'm gonna get ready and do my makeup. Okay. And that is my finished makeup look. Oh my gosh, it is bright. Okay, there we go. That's the finished makeup look, very glowy. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep my hair like this. I'm just gonna throw in an outfit. I have this sweater that I just got from the thrift store, and it actually looks really cute with like this bag. I think I'm gonna wear that and just get some like jeans and then like a white top. Okay, almost forgot to open up the packages. I only have 2, so let's do that. This first box is from Jouer, and I think I already know what it is because I saw Christina post on Instagram what it was. So I already know it's gonna be in here. Look how pretty. I was right, they're like these new concealers. Oh my gosh, are those all the shades? Ooh, okay, this is so pretty. Oh, she's like the prettiest packaging. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wait, you're kidding. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, I love her packaging. Okay. Essential high coverage concealer pens. Oh, I should have used this today. Okay, I'm dumb. I shook around the box and they came out. Let me put these back. Oh my gosh, it even smells good. It smells good in here. Oh, okay. Look at that. I should use this today. I'll bring it in my bag for like a touch-up concealer because I really want to try it. Oh, it's vegan friendly and cruelty free. I don't know if these are out yet, so I have no idea. I'm gonna post these on my story. These are so pretty. Okay, gorgeous on the go. Can you see that? I'm trying to like give you like the first person experience here. Okay. Ooh, it smells so good. What is this? Okay, shampoo and body wash 2-in-1. I like this lilac packaging, very cute. Very not Kelsey Simone of me to say, but I do like it. This is a hair treatment. I was just about to buy a new hair mask at Ulta today. Good, now I don't have to. Scenic Root. Oh, what does it smell like? Let's smell it. Okay. Oh my gosh. It smells like aromatherapy. Like the lavender aromatherapy that I have, that smells so good. And then, like, everything is so adorable. I love these brands. What even is this? I have no idea. 200 pieces. Is it a puzzle? Oh my gosh, it's a puzzle. Oh my gosh, it's, okay, you've never. I'm the lamest person. Oh my god, I just got that excited about a puzzle. I'm such a loser, oh my god. I'm so lame. It's a puzzle. I'm really excited. I love puzzles. Mom! They sent me a puzzle! Wander Beauty! Oh my gosh, it's like they know me. Thank you guys so much. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Okay, I literally hate my Instagram voice, but hi, okay, I'm really dumb. I got dressed. I'm like dressed like it's like a spring cute little outfit, my little white tank top and my little sweater cardigan. It's like 40, it's 30 degrees, not even 40. Not even, it's 30 degrees. My hair's up in a little bun. I've got my summer dewy glowy look. My little, oh my gosh, it's so cold. So we're gonna go to the post office first. I have to go to the dollar store and get tape because we don't have any tape to put the label on it. So I'm gonna go get tape, go to the post office, and then we're gonna go to Ulta first, and then the bookstore, and then we're picking up lunch and coming back home. Okay, let's back out of here. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall as soon as I go over the sidewalk. You're gonna, nope, okay. Oh, good job, you guys, you didn't fall down. Okay.
In other words,
okay, I'm here now. We're in Ulta. I hate vlogging in public, but I'm doing this for you guys. My mind is like completely blank now of what I needed to get. Okay, so I'm online right now at the Starbucks drive-thru, and it's pretty long, so I'm gonna give you a little, let's talk about Ulta for a second. Like, I love Ulta, mwah, if you're watching this right now. But the Ulta near me, I guess, like, did some changes, and the 3 main things I went in there to get, they didn't even have, because they removed the brands, like, completely. So what I did get, I went in there to get, I'm not sure if they sold Clarins or if that's only Sephora, but like I feel like I remember. I went in there because my Clarins lip oils, I wear them like every day, and I bought 3 of them only like a few weeks ago, and I'm already out of all 3. Like, that's how much I use them. I use them like 10 times a day. I'm obsessed with them. But yeah, so I went in there to get them, and then they don't even sell Clarins. And then they normally sell Laura Geller because my favorite highlighter's from there, and I broke it, so I wanted to buy a new one, and they don't even have Laura Geller anymore. Also, I went to get the Jergens Wet Skin Tinted, like, moisturizer that tans you because it's the best tan I've ever used in my life. Really, honestly, they've never sponsored me, but, like, yes, buy it. It's the best, and they took it out, and I used to buy it there all the time. So instead, in the self-tanner section, they had Saint Tropez. They had a, like, gradual tanning lotion, so I just thought I'd try it out, like, might as well. They still sell Jergens at Target, but I don't feel like going all the way to Target just to get one thing. So, like, next time I'm there, I'll get it, but I decided to try this one. Oh, don't haul while driving, kids. No hauling while driving. Then, right next to this, I happened to see this product, which one of my friends had before that I really wanted, and I never knew what it was. But it is a one-night-only gloss. It's a body gloss. Does that not sound beautiful? It's from Saint Tropez. It's like this gold, and like, oh, it smells so good. I love the smell of tanning products. Like, the smell of tanning products can boost your whole day, like your whole mood. Then I went in to get this very specific cuticle oil. It's the Essie Apricot Cuticle Oil. My friend Maria, shout out to Maria Bethany, had posted it saying like this whole like nail hack, how she like grows her natural nails long, and I always just use my natural nails and I want them to grow long, and my cuticles are always dry. So I saw she posted that one, and I love apricots, so I was like, okay, I'll go get it. And they didn't have that either. They sell Essie, but they didn't have the thing. So I got this OPI one that's like shea butter. And then I needed new dry shampoo, but the brand that I usually use my dry shampoo from is Kristen S, which is sold only at Target, I think. Or at least I've only seen it at Target, so I just got the Detox Dry Bar one.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. My name's Adriana. What can I get stuff you say?
Hi, Adriana. Can I have a grande size iced matcha latte, extra sweet?
I'm at the bookstore. We're gonna try to get an artsy shop. gosh, I love Martha Stewart. Oh my gosh, I'm getting that. This lighting is intense, but I got so many good books. I'm gonna give you a book haul when I'm home. Right now I'm about to go pick up pizza from California Pizza Kitchen for my mom and I. Okay, I'm home now. Before I eat my pizza, I wanna show you guys the books that I picked up. So the first one is called The Naturalist Garden. I love like gardening books. I'm like not a green thumb and like I have no idea how to garden, but that's why you buy books for. I actually have this really cool book that I also got, this vintage book here from an antique store. Gardening Guide, The Amateur Gardener. How friggin' cute is that? I'm obsessed. I think this book is even like on my like Instagram feed. But yeah, it's like tips for like if you're not good at gardening on how to garden, and it's like the cutest book. Look how, oh, it's so cool. I got this one at an actual like antique store. And then I got this book because I love Martha Stewart. I'm like obsessed with Martha Stewart. So I don't have any Martha Stewart books. When I saw this one, I was like, I have to get it. It's like decorating details, like just like home inspo. So much inspiration. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then I got this book, brand new, still in the wrapper, 20 bucks for a Tiffany's book. It's Tiffany style, 170 years of design. I told you this place is like the best book place, literally in the world. Okay. Okay, look at this Tiffany's. Oh my gosh, so much photo shoot inspiration. Whoa, this is so cool. Okay, so we've got this book. And then I got this book, which is a cookbook. It's like a California style cookbook. And then I got this book, which is the first one I found, Crabtree and Evelyn, which is actually a skincare company. They have this cookbook. It's all like healthy recipes. And I try to eat as healthy as possible, and I love cooking, so I figured this would be a good one to get. Last but not least, I got this book on Impressionism. I was trying to find like a Romanticism one, but I found this Impressionism book. I have a few Impressionism books, honestly, but I really like it. So yeah, I thought this one was really cool. Check out some of the artwork in there. Okay, hi guys. It is a few hours later. I was browsing on my phone while watching TV, and I saw one of my friends on Instagram getting laser hair removal. But I've always wanted to get laser hair removal, and somebody actually sent me like one of the at-home machine things, and I've never used it, so I figured I'd try it. I've had this thing for like 6 months and I've never used it. Gosh, I'm really scared. Like, what if it hurts a lot? Okay. I'm just like, I feel like I should FaceTime one of my friends right now. I'm always less nervous when I face. Okay, let's FaceTime one of my friends. Okay. I'm gonna place you right here. I'm vlogging, by the way. Hi. Hi. Okay, so I'm just really scared and I got really nervous because I'm about to shoot myself with a laser and I just wanted someone else to be here for me. So I'm turning it on maximum because I want it to really work, but I'm scared because I don't know how much it's gonna hurt.
Have you tried it on low setting yet? Oh, jeez. See, the things you told me with are always so entertaining. I did not expect this at all. They have you, Kelsey.
Okay, it didn't hurt that bad. That was really dramatic. Wait. It was bright, wasn't it? Could you see it?
No, I didn't.
Oh, really? It was bright. You didn't see that?
No, it's better than that.
You can't see that? Wait.
No.
Hold on. Let me turn the camera.
Okay. Oh, okay, yeah, I can see that.
How could you not see it before?
It just wasn't showing up.
It's just really hot. It doesn't hurt.
It is a laser.
You know when you talk on the phone, your voice sounds like Mr. Beast? That's a weird observation, but you do.
I'm also sick.
Oh. Like if I'm not looking at you, it sounds like I'm watching a Mr. Beast video.
What's up, guys? Mr. Beast here with Kelsey, Simone. We're teaming up to do $1 million giveaway in the comment section.
That was both my legs. Yeah, you made that so easy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Call me later. I actually want to talk to you, loser.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Leave your entries in the subreddit pros, and now I should.
Okay, it is now, what time is it? Where's my phone? It is now 10:45. I am going to go to bed. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope that you guys are liking these vlogs so that I can like continue doing them on Tuesdays. Let me know if this is like, if you guys are into this, if I should keep doing this. Chill videos Tuesday, fancy fashion videos Friday. I think that's what I like called it, what I said. Also, make sure to follow me on social media. I will have it on the screen and everything in the description for you guys. And make sure to subscribe for more fashion videos and now more vlogs. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!